So there's this article that the election between Senator Catherine Cortez Masto and Paul Laxalt will be a referendum for Nevada, and I agree. If you look in this article, it talks about and admits that Masto barely won, and that's important because she barely won, and in a state where it's supposedly solidly blue, she's running against a guy whose family has not endorsed him either. This is not a very good place to be where you're running in the margin of error against a person whose family won't even support him. It's more Masto's first term, and when she won her first term, she did so by running a slander campaign, and in the last moment in October, smeared her opponent, and that swayed people, including myself, to vote for her. I didn't actually even know what party she was from. And it's interesting because she's the first female senator from Nevada, and she's at risk of being dethroned or replaced by a white male. And if that happens, it's phenomenal. It goes against all the prevailing wisdom that we have, that incumbency matters and that minorities matter, because Laxalt's father was a senator a long time ago and a governor, and his family won't endorse him. So if she loses, this is a referendum on her party, and Nevada. So good luck in November, Miss Masto. And if you lose, I won't miss you one bit. Not at all.